SOLDO Cavitators is the one simplifying technology for all fluids and all processes. It can be fed with any liquid mixture with solid and gas. Now look inside the cavitator. The rotor is spinning. See how SOLDO Cavitators turns the cavitation from uncontrolled to controlled. The cavitation bubbles are generating. When they collapse, the physical energy is completely transferred to the fluid. Shock waves flow through the mass, reducing it into small particles. Particles rub together, generating instantaneous uniform heat. The rotors spin, the product flows, and instantaneously it's ready, mixed, heated and homogenized by the controlled cavitation.